Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to enable budget threshold alerts in Zoho Project. All right. So first up, log into your account. Now go to the top right, click on the gear icon beside your profile. Now, once it loads, click on portal configuration right here at the left panel. Once done, go ahead over to projects and budget. Okay. Click on it. Now go to the top. We have here this tab. Click on budget settings. There you go. And make sure that this one right here is enabled. And once done, just go ahead and scroll all the way down and you will find budget threshold email. Okay. Make sure that this feature is enabled. And once done, click on update right here and make sure to customize your email if you want to. Okay. If you want to add in more email IDs, just click on add right here. If you want to add CC, just click on add CC right here. Okay. If you want to add in placeholders into the subject, just click on this drop down and select from one of these fields. Okay. And once that's done, just click on save. There you go. And your budget threshold email is now enabled. And there you have it. That is how you enable budget threshold alerts here in Zoho Projects. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.